Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can connect a speaker to your Kindle so you can listen to your Audible books. This has never been connected up before, so it'll be similar to you doing it for the first time. So first of all, we're going to choose a book from our Audible library. So we're going to hit the top of the page somewhere to bring up this menu. So just in this top section, just tap it, and we're going to go to Home, and we're going to pick an Audible book. And now we're going to go to Play, and it's going to prompt us to connect a Bluetooth speaker. And it's brought up on the screen already the speakers we can connect to, but I want to connect to this one here. So I'm just going to turn on this one. Obviously it will depend on your speaker, but you need to put your speaker into pairing mode. So this should now be in pairing mode. So I'm just going to go to Rescan. And there you go, it's brought it up, Pulse X. So I'm going to tap that.
This is Audible.
There we go.
Here we go. Look at this book.
Just like that. And you see it is now connected. So it's nice and straightforward. And then you can listen to your Audible via your Kindle, via your little portable speakers. Might be useful if you're on a beach somewhere and you want to listen to an Audible. Also remember, it would connect to your headphones as well. So you might be connecting up your Bluetooth headphones while you're on the beach. And now next time we come to this, it should connect automatically. So if we were just to turn the Kindle off and turn the speaker off, next time we go to use it, so I'm going to just unlock the Kindle, turn the speaker on, it should connect up automatically. There we go. And if I go into Audible,
The sound of laughter.
you can hear it's come through again. Remember, you can also access your Bluetooth menu from the top here. And you can turn it off from there and keep your Kindle on. Thanks for watching.